Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and advice for living a healthy lifestyle. Today, we will be sharing with you our top 5 smoothies for weight loss. These smoothies are not only delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients and can help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. So let's dive in and discover the ingredients and step-by-step instructions for making our top 5 smoothies for weight loss. 1. Green smoothie. Benefits. This smoothie is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the greens and fruit. The fiber from the greens and banana also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Ingredients. 1 cup spinach, 1 cup kale, 1 banana, 1 apple, 1/2 cup almond milk. Instructions. Wash the spinach and kale and remove any tough stems. Peel the banana and chop the apple into small pieces. Add all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more almond milk to achieve your desired consistency. Enjoy. 2. Berry Blast. Smoothie. Benefits. This smoothie is high in protein and fiber from the Greek yogurt and chia seeds. Berries are also low in calories and packed with antioxidants, making this smoothie a great option for weight loss. Ingredients. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 cup almond milk. Instructions. Wash the berries and remove any stems. Add all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more almond milk to achieve your desired consistency. Enjoy. 3. Tropical Delight. Smoothie. Benefits. This smoothie is a great source of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and aid in weight loss. Pineapple and mango are also loaded with digestive enzymes, which can aid in digestion and help reduce bloating. Ingredients. 1 cup pineapple, 1 cup mango, 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon lime juice. Instructions. Cut the pineapple and mango into small pieces. Peel the banana and add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more coconut milk to achieve your desired consistency. Enjoy. 4. Or chocolate peanut butter smoothie. Benefits. This smoothie is a healthier alternative to satisfy your sweet tooth. The peanut butter provides a good source of protein and healthy fats, while the banana and honey add natural sweetness. Ingredients. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 cup almond milk. Instructions. Peel the banana and add it to a blender with the cocoa powder, peanut butter, honey, and almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more almond milk to achieve your desired consistency. Enjoy. 5. Spicy Green Smoothie. Benefits. This smoothie is loaded with metabolism-boosting ingredients such as ginger and cayenne pepper. The greens and apple provide essential vitamins and minerals, while the lemon juice adds a refreshing citrus flavor. Ingredients. 1 cup spinach, 1/2 of cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger, pinch of cayenne pepper. Instructions. Wash the spinach and cucumber and remove any tough stems. Cut the green apple into small pieces. Add all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more water to achieve your desired consistency. Enjoy. That concludes our top 5 smoothies for weight loss. We hope you found these recipes helpful and that you try them out for yourself. Remember, smoothies can be a great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet and can aid in weight loss when consumed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. We'll see you in the next video.